Fellow Americans, when I delivered my farewell address, I warned of the dangers that political factions could bring to our young republic. I spoke not out of fear for disagreement, but out of concern that such divisions, unchecked, could open the door to corruption and tyranny. I cautioned that factions would lead to the erosion of unity, placing party interests above the welfare of the nation. Today, I see that my fears have come to pass in ways even I could not have foreseen. Political factions are no longer driven solely by the will of the people. Instead, they are fueled by the wealth of corporations and the influence of foreign powers. Through decisions like Citizens United, the voice of the people has been overshadowed by the weight of money. The vote, that sacred instrument of liberty, has been diluted, its power handed to elites who owe allegiance not to the Republic, but to their own ambitions and interests. This is not the democracy we fought to establish. The foundations of our government rest upon the balance of power, the rule of law, and the consent of the governed. Yet now, that balance is threatened by forces that prioritize profit over principle, influence over integrity, and division over unity. Foreign nations have seized upon these divisions, seeking to weaken our republic from within. They fund campaigns, manipulate discourse, and exploit our disagreements to sow chaos. Meanwhile, corporations, unbound by loyalty to any nation, shape policies to serve their profits rather than the public good. We must ask ourselves, who governs? Is it the people, as our Constitution demands, or those who can afford to wield power in their name? This must not stand. The strength of this nation lies in its citizens. It lies in your vigilance, your commitment to justice, and your refusal to let the will of the people be subverted by the forces of greed and manipulation. I urge you to reclaim the spirit of unity that first bound this nation together. Advocate for transparency in governance and accountability from those who hold power. Demand the restoration of a government that serves the people, not special interests or foreign entities. History has shown us that no tyranny, no corruption, and no injustice can endure when met with the resolve of a united people. Let us remember that our strength lies not in division, but in the shared ideals of liberty, justice, and democracy. Take action, for the future of this republic depends on your resolve. Preserve this union, restore the balance, safeguard the principles upon which we stand. The fate of the American experiment is, as it always has been, in your hands.